equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and replace the fans without causing any damage. First, power down your Asus G712L and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery by unscrewing the screws located at the back of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Next, using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back panel. There are typically around 10 screws, so make sure to keep track of them. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the fans, which are usually situated near the CPU and GPU. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris from the area using compressed air. This will help improve airflow and cooling efficiency. Now, to remove the old fans, unscrew the screws that hold them in place. There are usually 2 screws per fan. Once unscrewed, gently disconnect the fan cables from the motherboard. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. After removing the old fans, it's time to install the new ones. Position the new fans in the same orientation as the old ones and connect the cables to the motherboard. Make sure they are securely attached. Then, screw the fans back into place using the screws you previously removed. Once the fans are installed, it's crucial to reassemble your laptop. Start by placing the back panel back onto the laptop, ensuring all clips are aligned. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Finally, reinsert the battery and power on your device. Before you finish, it's wise to check if the fans are functioning correctly. You can do this by monitoring the temperature of your laptop during use. If you notice any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. In summary, replacing the fans in your Asus G712L is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your laptop's performance. If you encounter any difficulties or prefer professional assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for our services. We are here to help you keep your laptop running smoothly. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.